Man, it's mud. Just got home from RV. We built guitars all day. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it, right? Anyway, I want to show you guys, I was telling you in the last video about all this cool swamp ash that I picked up. So now I need to cure this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wax the ends of these. And what I have is this little spa wax melter. It's really good for your hands too. If you get your hands all messed up, you can just dip them in the wax and makes them feel nice. So I got that, and I've just got a cheap paintbrush around here somewhere. Here it is. All right. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the edges of this nice swamp ash with some wax. And this is going to prevent this thing drying out too much, because it'll dry out a lot quicker from the ends. You know, some folks use just Titebond. They'll put Titebond on there. There's also these, you know, semi-expensive things that are specifically made for sealing, doing this process. But you know what, man, this works. This works great. So this is what we're going to do. And we're going to come down a little bit along the edges too. Because these are single piece slabs, I don't have enough width in my little wax melter here to cover to dip this in. A lot of them just have these little tanks and they'll just dip it in. I know you guys have all seen it when you go to buy wood. And then also I got a little Teflon thing with some shrink wrap on it down at the bottom so I don't get wax all over everything. I got this one, and I think I'll just do one little extra coat right here on the outside just to make sure. Now I can still kind of see my numbers on here. This is the board that I actually calculated yesterday. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's basically 21 1/4, 17 inches wide, and 2 inches thick. And I came out at 11 pounds. Okay, but that these numbers calculate at 5.017 board feet, which actually puts me at 2.19 pounds per board foot, which is a pretty good number. I'm digging that number. So I'm going to flip this over, do the other side. And I talked to Steve up there at Commercial Forest Products today and let him know that I got everything, and that was cool. He sent me the stuff. It arrived unscathed, so told him I'd give him a shout out today. And if anybody knows, I'm looking for some Imbuya. If anybody's got a line on some Imbuya, I'd appreciate you letting me know. All right. One more coat on this outside here. And I think we're golden. So I'm going to let this sit. So probably tomorrow when I get home, I'll do a video on actually stickering this stuff. I'll sticker it, and then I've got a banding tool. I'll band all this stuff together, hold it nice and tight, and then we're just going to let it sit, man. We're going to let it sit and cure. I am going to, well, I'll talk about it on the next video, but I'm gonna equal opposite these grains, you know, so one board's going to naturally want to turn this way, the other board's going to want to go that way, and I'm just going to strap those suckers together, maybe put some clamps on the end, and then we're going to let them sit until I'm ready to use them. And I don't know when that's going to be, but I imagine a couple pieces, maybe 5-6 months or something. It'll dry out pretty quick here, but the rest of it could be years, and that's cool, man. That's why you stock up on the stuff, because down the road when you get a wild hair and you're like, hey man, I want to build this thing, you just pull that piece out. You know, you just start going through the wood, and you say, what do I feel like today? What flavor am I digging? So that's kind of the deal. So yeah, wax the ends of your boards. If you're getting them straight from the mill, you know, they're going to have some moisture in there. And oh yeah, that's one other thing I'll do. I'll do a video on checking the moisture. I saw a bunch of them on YouTube. There were some different ones, a lot of cats building furniture and stuff. But I'll talk a little bit more about guitar specific. And then we will take it from there. All right, you guys take it easy. Peace.